Chapter 5 Decimals. We have learned that fractional numbers whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000, so on, etc. are called decimal fractions or simply decimals. For example, 5 by 10 is equal to 0.5. 7 by 100 is equal to 0.07. 19 by 1000 is equal to 0.019. 15 by 10 is equal to 1.5. 207 by 100 is equal to 2.07. 580 by 100 is equal to 5.80. The dot in a decimal representation is called decimal point. Expanded form of decimals. In the decimal fraction 3784.8136. 3784 whole number part, 8136 decimal part. The above number can be arranged in a place value chart as under: 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, decimal, tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10, 1, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001, 3, 7, 8, 4, 8, 1, 3, 6. The number 3784.8136 can be expressed in the expanded form as 3000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 4 plus 0.8 plus 0.01 plus 0.003 plus 0.0006. Read the following numerals: thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds, thousands. These are read as A. 348.92, B. 35.068, C. 4,921.875. In the expanded form, 348.92 is equal to 300 plus 40 plus 8 plus 9 by 10 plus 2 by 100. 35.068 is equal to 30 plus 5 plus 0 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 8 by 1000 is equal to 30 plus 5 plus 6 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. 4,921.875 is equal to 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 1 plus 8 by 10 plus 7 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Do these. 1. Write in the expanded form. Representation. 2. Write the decimal numeral for the following. Representation. To convert decimals into fractions. Example 1. Convert the following decimals into fractions using expanded form. A 0.5, B 0.35, C 0.687. Solution. A 0.5 is equal to 5 into 1 by 10 is equal to 5 by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. B 0.35 is equal to 3 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100 is equal to 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100 is equal to 3 into 10 plus 5 by 100 is equal to 30 plus 5 by 100 is equal to 35 by 100. C 0.687 is equal to 6 into 1 by 10 plus 8 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 1000 is equal to 6 by 10 plus 8 by 100 plus 7 by 1000 is equal to 6 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 7 by 1000 is equal to 600 plus 80 plus 7 by 1000 is equal to 687 by 1000. From the above example, we find the following points while converting a decimal into an equivalent fraction. 1. The numerator of the equivalent fraction contains exactly the same digits as in the decimal part of the given decimal. 2. The denominator of the fraction is a power of 10 and has as many zeros on the right side of 1 as the number of decimal places. Example 2. Convert 3.86 as a fraction. Solution. 3.86 is equal to 3 into 1 plus 8 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100 is equal to 3 plus 8 by 10 plus 6 by 100 is equal to 3 by 1 plus 8 by 10 plus 6 by 100 is equal to 3 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 6 by 100 is equal to 300 plus 80 plus 6 by 100 is equal to 386 by 100. Note: if a mixed decimal is converted into a fraction, 1. The numerator of the fraction contains exactly the same digits as the digits of the decimal without the decimal point. and 2. The denominator is the power of 10 and has as many zeros on the right side of 1 as the number of decimal places. To convert a decimal into an equivalent fraction, follow the following procedure. 1. Write all the digits of the decimal without decimal point as numerator of the fraction. 2. Write a power of 10 as the denominator of the fraction such that there are as many zeros on the right side of 1 as the number of decimal places. 3. Reduce the fraction to its lowest terms if possible. Do this. 2. Convert the following decimals into fractions. Problem solving. Like and unlike decimals. We know what like fractions and unlike fractions are. Example: 4 by 12, 8 by 12, 10 by 12 are like fractions, but 6 by 10, 7 by 15, 11 by 25 are unlike fractions. In the same way, there are like decimals and unlike decimals. A group of decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Example: 0.3, 0.8, 2.5. A group of decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. Example: 0.2, 0.05, 1.253. Note: while grouping like and unlike decimals from a given set of decimals, the whole number parts are not to be considered. Decimal places. Consider the following groups of decimals: A. 3.5, 0.7, 21.3, 147.5, B. 0.38, 2.39, 41.93, 241.64, C. 0.269, 5.108, 90.047, 308.471. In Group A, all the decimals have only one digit in their decimal parts. In Group B, all the decimals have two digits in their decimal parts. All the decimals in Group C have three digits in their decimal parts. The place of a digit in the decimal part of a decimal is called the decimal place. Hence, all the decimals in Group A have one decimal place each. Group B has decimals of two decimal places each, and Group C has decimals of three decimal places each. Conversion of unlike decimals into like decimals. Study the following table in which we have converted the unlike decimals into like decimals. Unlike decimals. Like decimals. 1. 3.7, 2.56. 3.70, 2.56. 2. 9.26, 8.1. 9.26, 8.10. 3. 14.37, 214.323, 14.370, 214.323, 4. 21.88, 20.8, 23.899, 21.880, 20.800, 23.899, 5. 9.1, 9.11, 9.111, 9.100, 9.110, 9.111. Do these three. 1. Which of the following pairs of decimals consist of like decimals? Reasoning proof. Two. Convert each of the following pairs of unlike decimals into like decimals. Problem solving. 3. Convert each of the following groups of unlike decimals into like decimals. Problem solving. 4. Comparison and ordering of decimals. We know how to compare fractions and write them in the required order. Example: 3 by 10, 4 by 10 and 7 by 10 are like fractions with 10 as denominator of each. 3 is less than 4, 4 is less than 7. Hence, 3 by 10 is less than 4 by 10. 4 by 10 is less than 7 by 10. We know that 3 by 10 is equal to 3 tenths is equal to 0.3. 4 by 10 is equal to 4 tenths is equal to 0.4. 7 by 10 is equal to 7 tenths is equal to 0.7. 3 tenths is less than 4 tenths. 4 tenths is less than 7 tenths. So 0.3 is less than 0.4 is less than 0.7. Let's see the following examples. Example 1. Compare 0.42 and 0.56. Solution: 0.42 and 0.56 are like decimals. 0.42 is equal to 42 hundredths and 0.56 is equal to 56 hundredths. Since 42 is less than 56, 42 hundredths is less than 56 hundredths. Hence, 0.42 is less than 0.56. Example 2. Compare 0.82 and 0.275 and say which decimal is greater. Solution: 0.82 and 0.275 are unlike decimals. So, we have to convert them into like decimals and then compare. 0.82 is equal to 0.820 is equal to 820 thousandths. 0.275 is equal to 0.275 is equal to 275 thousandths. 820 thousandths is greater than 275 thousandths. So 0.82 is greater than 0.275. Example 3. Compare 4.8, 4.08, 4.81 and 4.18 and arrange them in both ascending and descending orders. Solution. Writing all as like fractions. 4.8 is equal to 4.80 is equal to 4 and 80 hundredths. 4.08 is equal to 4.08 is equal to 4 and 8 hundredths. 4.81 is equal to 4.81 is equal to 4 and 81 hundredths. 4.18 is equal to 4.18 is equal to 4 and 18 hundredths. Since each decimal has the same whole number, let us compare the decimal parts. 8 hundredths is less than 18 hundredths is less than 80 hundredths is less than 81 hundredths. So 4.08 is less than 4.18 is less than 4.80 is less than 4.81. The ascending order is 4.08, 4.18, 4.80, 4.81. The descending order is 4.81, 4.80, 4.18, 4.08. Do these 4. 1. Compare each pair of decimals given under and write which one is larger than the other.
Reasoning proof.
Two. Compare each pair of decimals given under and write which one is smaller than the other.
Reasoning proof.
Three. Arrange each group of decimals given below in ascending and descending orders.
Reasoning proof.
Rounding